Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2022 Jeep Wagoneer Series 2 in luxury white pearl. With adaptive cruise control, active lane management system, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 27,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, SELEC-TERRAIN system, wireless charging pad, power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number D7969.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.